Too much gas. There you go. There you go. You had it. You had it. You had it. Are you keeping it turned all the way over there, or is something broken? Oh, there it goes. Okay. There you go. I thought you had it. Oh, I thought you had it. Might need to put a little bit smoother rock over there.
Yeah, you do.
All right, we'll just start it up on top there.
Oh, start it up where it's stuck. Okay.
All right, so slowly and steady.
This is impossible. Dude, that's like stuck in there. Oh, no, it didn't touch the rocks. It didn't touch the rocks. Ah!
Ah, see, that's, you failed.
It's because I got synced that way.
Oh!
No!
Nice. Yeah, you probably can stand on them. Oh.
No! Like every car will go first. That's right there. This is bigger than I thought it would be.
Ah. Yes, yeah, oh, dude, beautiful.
For the brake.
I thought you had it.
Is that?
Yeah.
I guess I can make it like
There you go. Oh, third bumper. Here. Right there, go. All right, so here's a question. You gonna do some modifications to it to see if it'll crawl better and put some different tires on it?
Yeah.
We have the tires in the garage, we can do that. Hey, it jumped. All right, Jamesy, so now we have your WLTOYS 10428 Rock Racer, right? So it's super dirty. You should really clean this. What do you think? Huh? 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 So, we've tried it on the crawler course, and it didn't do so hot, did it? So, couple things. The stock tires on this pretty hard. Okay, so we have a couple choices that we can change over to. These are some we stole off of my dad's Red Cat. They are the Nitto Trail Grappler MTs. This is a 1.56 tire.
This is harder than like this.
Yeah, that's the thing, is like, I think at the end of the day, this compound, if you try to pinch it, it's pretty hard. This one is maybe just slightly softer, but we also have these tires. These are some pit bull tires that we've had left over from when we bought another used truck. Super soft, it feels like. So, and also if we look at it versus what was on here, a little bit taller, a little bit more ground clearance. Now what we'll have to watch, James, is I don't know if it's gonna rub.
Oh, let's see.
If it rubs on your body, that's gonna be bad. So we have to bolt them on and see.
It doesn't.
Well, we need to bolt them on and see. So we're gonna do a couple things to it. we're gonna put these tires on and try it. The other thing that we noticed is this happens. That doesn't seem like it's really what those shocks should be doing. So fortunately, I was able to get some shocks off eBay that I believe are roughly the correct length. We can extend that out a little bit. A little bit stiffer. I think we will, these are actually used, somebody's takeoffs that we found on eBay for super cheap. We're gonna give them a shot. We're gonna put them on there and just see if it makes a difference or not. And then hit back out on the crawler course and see what happens. All right, that is a lot bigger, James.
It doesn't rub.
It does.
Oh.
It rubs all the
But
rubber.
I almost never turn a wow going down.
That
It goes out on the top. It literally goes out on the top. Wait. It rubs like this too.
oh, it rubs even worse now. Check this out. Look how much bigger those tires are on this thing. That is crazy.
Hey, you put your tire on backwards.
You think? All right, Jamesy, what do you think about it?
It's good.
What do you think? Do you think these tires are going to do good for us?
Yeah.
Are they still concerned they might be a little bit too big? I think they're going to rub in here, and we might tear up your body. That's the problem. Stop for a second. And we might tear up your body, then that might be a problem. But we end up might be what we do is just trim your body right here.
Yeah. We should do that.
Maybe we should do it anyway. Well, right now it keeps dirt from getting in there, so it's kind of a good thing. And then your rear shocks, look, you actually have some level of shock rebound now, which is great. So maybe that'll help a little bit.
And one thing is you might not want to see how bad of a job it does.
How bad of a job it does at what?
The whole place is just brown in there.
So how bad would it do if it wasn't even there? So, all right, you ready to try it?
Yeah.
You think it's gonna be good? We'll see. Hey. Whoa! What are you gonna do with that?
Just put it down.
Just put it down? There you go, just set it down. All right, let's see it come up and across it. Was that easier, you think?
Yes.
It looks good up there, check that out. Bring it on down.
Watch the nuts. It is right.
There you go. Keep it going. Just keep it going.
Oh my god.
Just keep going. Just keep going.
I'm trying to get that tire out there.
Just keep going. You got it. Go.
God, I'm trying to. I'm trying to. This thing right there shot me that way, and then it shot me that way, and then it shot me back that way. I don't like that one right there.
There it goes. All right.
Okay. That's a little easier.
That was a little easier that time, wasn't it?
Oh yeah.
Well, that's actually what I was thinking. I was thinking about rocking it in. Oh, James, that was so much easier. You just went straight up that. That was easy.
No.
What about this? Now, you really struggled with this last time. Before we put these tires on it. Oh, that's a lot better already. Is it gonna do it? Is it gonna do it? Oh, so close.
What the?
I thought you had it.
Me too. I thought I had it.
Yes, yes, yes. Let it dig a little bit. Let it dig. There he goes. There he goes. Oh, we knocked the rock off. Dude, that works better, doesn't it? Yes. Good job.
Okay, now get swinging. Get swinging.
Yes. All right. Now so close. There you go, dude. Good job.
That's the part that I see under the book.
Yeah, look at that. It won't come back up that hill. You see that? It's just stuck. That's where we need to put you a stronger motor in it.